How to claim BetMGM prize. I have received a message saying I am the winner of the prize. Now, if you are getting this type of messages right from BetMGM or BetMGM UK, you can see what their official support has to say. It says if the correspondence you received came from no reply at betgm.co.uk or betgm, please contact us through live chat. Now, so you must also check the proper email from where it came from and whether that or not it is BetMGM itself and not a scam email right there. Now, after that, what you have to do is if you're on UK, you have to go to betmgm.co.uk/support, which will take you to customer support page where you can click on live chat and then you'll be able to talk to a customer service. If you're on the US, go to betmgm.com, log into your account, go to help and customer care from the top right hand side. Once you go to help and customer care option from there, you'll find the option that says contact us. So click on the contact us button, select live chat and let them know that you have received this type of email on this account and this should help you to claim your prize. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.